What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Brevo to n8n. So first head over to the n8n's website and then sign in or log in with your n8n account, and after that, you will be redirected to the homepage of n8n. So from here on the right side, you need to click on create workflow, and after that you will be redirected to the editor of the workflow. So from here you need to click on add first step, and then from here you need to search for Brevo, and after searching for Brevo, click on it, and after clicking on it you need to choose a trigger, or you can also choose some actions. Let's say I want to choose on email click trigger. After choosing, I'll click on select credential and then click on create new credentials. So from here I need an API key. So to get the API key, in the new tab you need to open the Brevo and then log in with our Brevo account. After that, when you have logged in, this is the homepage of Brevo. From here on the right side, click on your profile and then click on SMTP and API. After clicking on SMTP and API, click on API keys, and after that, on the right side, you will see generate a new API key. Click on that. Then you need to name your API key and then click on generate. After that, this will generate your API key. So you need to make sure that you have copied your API key and then come back to n8n, click on this API key once and then simply paste it and then click on save. And after that, as you can see, the credential has been successfully created. This is how you can connect your Brevo account to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.